Hey there, future entrepreneurs! Have you ever found yourself daydreaming about living in luxurious homes, exploring new cities, and experiencing different cultures, all while getting paid? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of house sitting. Ever dream of getting paid to live in amazing homes? Imagine waking up in a different beautiful home every few months, or even weeks. From modern city apartments to cozy countryside cottages, the possibilities are endless. That's the magic of house sitting. It's not just about staying in a home, it's about taking care of it. You might be watering plants, feeding pets, or simply ensuring everything runs smoothly while the homeowners are away. It's a win-win for everyone. Homeowners get peace of mind knowing their property is in good hands, and you get to enjoy a new environment without the hefty price tag of rent or hotels. Homeowners get peace of mind knowing their property is cared for. They can travel without worries, knowing their home, pets, and plants are being looked after by a responsible house sitter. And you get to experience new places, often with some pretty sweet perks. Imagine sipping your morning coffee with a stunning view, or exploring a new city during your free time. Think about it. You could be lounging by a pool in California, soaking up the sun and enjoying the laid-back lifestyle, cozying up in a New York City loft, surrounded by the hustle and bustle of the city that never sleeps, with endless opportunities to explore, or waking up to breathtaking mountain views, where the air is fresh and the scenery is nothing short of spectacular. All while building a successful business you're passionate about. House sitting allows you to work remotely, giving you the freedom to manage your tasks from anywhere in the world. House sitting isn't just a job, it's a lifestyle. It's about embracing new experiences, meeting new people, and living life on your own terms. Are you ready to unlock its potential? Let's dive in and discover how you can turn this dream into your reality. The adventure awaits. So, what kind of house-sitting guru will you be? The world of house-sitting is vast and varied, offering opportunities for everyone, whether you're looking to stay local or travel the globe. Let's explore the exciting world of house-sitting business models. Each model caters to different lifestyles and preferences, ensuring there's a perfect fit for everyone. Local hero. Plant your roots and become the go-to sitter in your community. By focusing on your local area, you can build strong relationships with homeowners and become a trusted figure in your neighborhood. You'll build strong relationships and a loyal clientele right in your own backyard. Imagine being the person everyone turns to when they need their home cared for. Jet-setting adventurer. Do you crave adventure? If you have a wanderlust spirit, house-sitting can be your ticket to exploring new places. Travel the world, experiencing new cultures, and calling stunning homes your temporary office. From bustling cities to serene countryside retreats, the possibilities are endless. Luxury connoisseur. Cater to a discerning clientele with a taste for the finer things in life. If you appreciate luxury and elegance, this model is for you. Think sprawling estates, high-end amenities, and VIP treatment. You'll be living in the lap of luxury, enjoying all the perks that come with it. Pet whisperer. Are you an animal lover at heart? House sitting can also be a fantastic way to spend time with furry friends. Specialize in caring for furry friends, providing love, attention, and maybe even a little playtime in the park. You'll be the go-to person for pet owners who want the best care for their beloved animals while they're away. Whether you're a local hero, a jet-setting adventurer, a luxury connoisseur, or a pet whisperer, the house-sitting landscape offers a unique and rewarding experience for everyone. Being a fantastic house sitter means going above and beyond. Offer a range of services to make homeowners feel confident and secure. Security superstar. Regularly check locks, windows, and security systems. You're the first line of defense against any unexpected visitors. Pet pamperer. From feeding and grooming to walks and playtime, treat furry friends like the valued family members they are. Green thumb guru. Water plants, nurture gardens, and keep those leafy companions thriving. Mail manager. Collect mail and packages, ensuring nothing important gets missed. Ready to turn your passion into profit? Here's how to lay the foundation for a thriving house-sitting business. Legal Eagle research, local licensing, and permit requirements. You want to operate above board and build trust with your clients. Tool time. Invest in essential equipment like a reliable phone, laptop, and basic cleaning supplies. Teamwork makes the dream work. As your business grows, consider bringing on trustworthy team members to handle bookings, marketing, and even house-sitting assignments. It's time to shine a spotlight on your amazing services. Here's how to get the word out. First up, create a professional website showcasing your services, testimonials, and contact information. This is your online oasis. Next, engage with potential clients on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Share stunning photos and heartwarming stories to show what you can do. Don't forget local love. Network with local businesses, pet stores, and community groups to spread the word about your services. And lastly, collaborate with real estate agents, vacation rental hosts, and other businesses that cater to homeowners. These partners can help you succeed. Now for the fun part, getting paid to do what you love. Here are some ways to generate income. Daily delight. Set competitive per-day rates based on your experience, location, and services offered. Long-term loyalty. Secure premium pricing for extended stays, providing homeowners with peace of mind for weeks or even months at a time. Add-on adventure. Boost your income by offering additional services like grocery shopping, pet grooming, or even personal chef experiences. The sky's the limit with house sitting. Here are some exciting ways to grow. Estate management extraordinaire. Offer comprehensive property management services, handling everything from maintenance to vendor coordination. Absolutely brilliant. Develop a user-friendly mobile app connecting homeowners with trusted house sitters. Concierge King Queen. Provide personalized concierge services, arranging restaurant reservations, booking travel, and taking care of all the details. Franchise Frenzy. Share your successful business model by offering franchise opportunities to aspiring house-sitting entrepreneurs. Before you dive headfirst into the exciting world of house-sitting, it's crucial to cover your legal bases. Understanding the legal landscape can save you from potential pitfalls and ensure that your business runs smoothly. Here are some key things to consider when setting up your house-sitting business. Business structure. Decide on the legal structure that best suits your needs, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Each structure has its own set of legal and tax implications. Each option comes with its own set of advantages and liabilities, so consult with a legal professional to determine the best fit for your business. For instance, a sole proprietorship is simple and easy to set up, but offers no personal liability protection. On the other hand, an LLC provides liability protection, but comes with more regulatory requirements. Contracts. Always use a detailed contract that outlines the scope of your services, payment terms, liability waivers, and any other relevant clauses to protect both you and your clients. A well-drafted contract can prevent disputes and provide a clear framework for your business operations. This legally binding document serves as a roadmap for your working relationship and can help prevent misunderstandings down the line. Make sure to include specifics such as the duration of the house sitting, responsibilities of both parties, and procedures for handling emergencies. Regularly reviewing and updating your contracts can keep them aligned with your evolving business needs. Starting a house-sitting business is more than just a job. It's an invitation to a life filled with freedom, flexibility, and fulfillment. You have the power to create a business that aligns with your passions, allows you to explore new horizons, and brings joy to both you and the homeowners you serve. So what are you waiting for? Embrace the adventure, open the door to opportunity, and watch your house-sitting dreams take flight.